Since we work with edge computing, so on one hand we are trying to run these big AI models, but on the other hand we are a bit limited in compute powers. And the way we deal with that is manifold. First of all, we do all the typical optimizations that are done in these situations, like quantization, model running, among others. On the other hand, we also use specialized hardware to run AI on the edge, like DSPs, GPUs, anything that the platform can offer. But not only that, we have a deep understanding of how the neural networks work, and this allows us to optimize them on a case-by-case basis. Once we have clear requirements on what they need, what we need to solve, it's our job then to define how we solve it. We'll do often a state-of-the-art research. That's usually the first technical step in our process. We'll see how others are solving this problem, if it's a problem that others are tackling as well, if it's already solved out there or not, if we have to start it from scratch. Once we know exactly what we can and we cannot do, we present it to the customer. They will have their own idea if it fits or not. Once we know exactly what we need to do and we have a high-level design for our AI solution, it's time to start looking for data. And the way we do it is manifold. We can look online for available public data sets. We can get our own data from real world. We can help the customer get their own data. We can train them on what data, what types of data, how the amounts of data they need for their solution. Or we can synthesize it. There's many techniques nowadays to create it from scratch with either generative AI, gaming engines like Unreal, all sorts of techniques to generate synthetic data. Once data is figured out and we know where to get it and how to get it, how much data we need, what types of data we need, it's time to start labeling it. And we own that process as well. We do data labeling internally, which is, we believe, more cost effective for us and for the customers. Also for data protection issues nowadays, it's better if we do it ourselves. The data is very valuable nowadays. I'd say probably 70% of the value of an AI solution is in data, maybe more. So we are very careful with that. We store it in our own servers. We don't share it often. We are very careful. We have procedures for that.